can hear it's priming. It's just like that. I don't know what's going on. It's rotating, but I don't know. Oh, this is what it looked like. I pulled it out. My starter suspectedly, this is the issue because it's not starting. It will rotate, but it's turning off too and turn on again. So am I gonna double check this, what's inside, what's wrong, or replace it or bring. As you can see, I open and check. There's some engine oil inside. That's why. Shout out to the motorcycle guys on eBay. Good job, fast shipping and good quality. It comes with a solenoid and the wire and the gear, but I only need the starter motor. It look nice and quality still. Here is the old one, as you can see, and this is the new one that I gonna install to my FJR. Today we are gonna install this starter to my FJR. As you can see, this already clean up right there, and I put plug on that going to the gears. So now it's there. I just basically put it inside there, and then you need some leverage to like find here, and then like push it all the way, and as you can see, and then you can see the hole right there matching. You can see those holes that the screws go into. So that's way you can know that it's already in the gear. So don't forget to connect this first before you put everything in. It's okay, but it's gonna be hard time to put it there again. And I have the screw ready to go. And make sure you remove one of the rubber boots in this area so you can tighten those. Allen bolt number 5 right there. Okay, all right, so I'm putting gas now. Putting gas, and we'll see if the starter are good. All right, so I put 2 gallons on the gas, and we'll see. It's priming good, you know. There you go. Let them prime. Let them prime. Let them prime. Hopefully, we'll turn on, guys. Right.
よくできました